Now that we've taken our bike out of the garage, let's make sure everything's good to go. Oh no, the handlebars are crooked. What are we going to do? Let's make sure they're nice and straight. Alright, that looks pretty good. Then we'll just tighten this bolt here with an Allen tool. You might have to loosen it before you can straighten the bars. We'll just tighten that bolt. You may need a parent to help you with this. Righty-tighty?
Lefty-loosey.
Okay, that's tight enough. Anything else seem loose? Well, the handlebars are loose. Oh no, that's not good or safe. So, we can see here that there's a bolt holding everything together, right here. And we can use an adjustable wrench to tighten it. What you don't want to do is use a pair of pliers. They can really chew things up. So pliers are a big no for this job. Now that we have the bars nice and centered, we can just tighten this. Again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we should be ready to go. Alright, now that the handlebars are tightened up and straight, anything else wrong with the bike?
Oh no! The chain's off!
Yuck. How are we going to fix that?
First, you're gonna grab a stick. Second, you're gonna make sure it's in this pose or it's gonna be a little bit harder. Second, you're gonna push the derailleur forward, and then you're going to take the bottom, you're gonna lift it up to the top, and you're just gonna kind of just eat it on there. And then you're going to put it back and...
Wow, we're ready to go.
Your hands might get a little bit dirty though. In the derailleur part, this just makes sure that they don't get extra dirty.
This has been an MSU Bikes video to help you discover the freedom of bicycling. Enjoy your ride.